Say what the song is.
It's called the Hottie Dance.
This is the Hottie Dance. Okay, go.
Hottie Dance is a place to go, but I hit people in the face because I like to, but I hit the jackets off and all the house exploded. And my pictures fall down and my pool bit dead. But my comments for the neighborhood. Not a photo of the same. My guitar is only what I can play. But can you video that on your camera? Every day I call someone on my phone and my phone breaks when I have a telephone. But I hit my stuff off. But I brush my teeth every day and I go somewhere in the car. And my cars are not my for day for now.
Is that it?
Yeah.
Is it over? Yay!
Can I watch it?